क्या आपको अपनी प्रेजेंट जॉब में पर्याप्त ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी नजर नहीं आ रही है? क्या आपका एम्प्लॉयर आपकी तुलना में फ्रेशर्स को ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी दे रहा है? आई एम डॉक्टर विजय जैन, an engineering college principal turned coach. I help professionals get back on their growth track. I help professionals achieve desired career growth, financial growth, and the personal growth. I help them explore their strengths, master their strengths, and overcome all their challenges in personal life and professional life to switch to your dream job and achieve a dream life for yourself and your family. So if you are ambitious, if you are an action taker, and if you want to switch to your dream job and dream life, I would like to invite you for my webinar. Invest 2 hours of your time to learn a simple step-by-step process to switch to your dream job, to switch to your dream life. I will be cheering for your growth. See you there in the webinar.